Hello children, how are you all? Well, today we will study chapter number 1 and the topic we will start with types of operating system. In the previous two videos I have explained the different topics like what is operating system, what is the need of operating system, and what are the functions of an operating system. So those who have not seen those videos, kindly go through it and clear your doubts. So today the topic we have is types of operating system. Now we have got different types of operating system. Thus the first type of operating system we will learn here is single user operating system. So what do you understand by this name, single user operating system? Single user operating system seems like that a single user can operate one operating system, right? Well, you are correct, but single user operating system is of two types. The first type of operating system is where a single user can use the operating system, and single user single task, where the user can perform only one task at a time on a computer on that operating system, and the other one is single user multiple task, where the single user can perform multiple tasks on the computer. Well, here in this example we are talking about only single user single task operating system, and these operating systems are not in use nowadays. Why? Because they were having some limited features in it. So this as you can read here, and in your book also it is written in the same way, that this operating system allows only one user to work with the computer at a time. The most popular single user operating system were Microsoft DOS, Microsoft Windows 3.1 and Microsoft Windows 95. The next operating system we have is multi-user operating system. So multi-user operating system, by its name, that multiple user can use the same operating system at the same time or at different times. So some multi-user operating systems are Windows 2000, and which was the first version of Windows which allowed multiple users to use a single machine. So multi-user can use a single operating system. So these computers, this operating system are like where one server is kept, where all the information are stored, and rest of the computers are connected to the that server, the main computer, where the information is getting stored, from where we are getting the information, fetching the information. So that is known as the multi-user operating system. The next type of operating system we have is multitasking operating system. Now in multitasking operating system is again the same computer which we are using, right, which can perform multiple tasks at the same time. So here it is written, the ability to perform more than one task together at one time is called multitasking. The computers which we are using nowadays can perform multiple tasks at a time, right? So we can listen to music, we can type something, we can search something on the internet, and we can take the printouts from the printer. So some of the examples are mentioned here for this type of operating system are Unix, Linux, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, etc. Here the next type of operating system we have is multiprocessing operating system. Now multiprocessing operating system is operating system in which many processors are there which share a common physical memory. In this system, all processors operate under a single operating system. So if you're talking about, let's say, a single operating system is there, but there are so many processes which are getting stored on the same physical memory, it provides higher computing power and speed, and allows the user to run and work in multiple applications at the same time. So multiple processes can run at the same time on that operating system. So execution of several tasks by different processors at the same time increases the system performance. So in this type of operating systems, the speed of the computer is very fast. Next type of operating system we have is multi-threading operating system. Now these operating system allows different part of a software program to run simultaneously. The feature of a multi-threading can delay the execution response of certain processes. For example, so one example is given here, I'll give you the other example also. If you host a game server on LAN is local area network, I hope you all know about it. Your friends will also utilize different parts of the same game by connecting to your machine at the same time. All resources will be utilized from your machine, which can be a performance degrading factor. The common examples of such operating system are Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Unix, Linux, etc. Now in this multi-threading operating system, it allows different parts of a software program to run together. That means, suppose if you want to play a song, you open VLC media player. Yes, once you open the VLC media player, that is one thread. Second thread is you pick a song from the list. That is the second thread. The third thread is when you play that song, right? So this is three threads. These are three threads which you are running on your computer together. So multi-threading operating system means if the computer operating system tries, if the computer system operating system does not finish this work first, it cannot pick another task. So that is why it is written, the feature of multi-threading can delay the execution response of certain processes. So the other processes which are in queue, they have to wait for the first processes to finish the work. The next type of operating system we have is RTOS, and RTOS is also known as real-time operating system. Now this type of operating system is designed to handle the real life scenarios and problems. So these operating system have the capability to prioritize the processes, minimize execution time, and work independently with no interdependencies. Now, real-time operating system is used when the time spent required to react to an input is rigid and time-bound. So this type of operating system we use in certain places where we are time-bound to do a particular task. Let's say, for example, air traffic control, even a single second delay, because they get all the information, even a nanosecond information that the bird is flying coming from there. So they keep each and everything. If any single nanosecond delay comes in this system, it can occur a system failure or the problems like that. Weapon systems, like if the people are going to launch a missile and 1 second delay can change the direction of the missile, so which is again a failure of the system. So now these RTOS are of two types. One is hard real-time system and another is soft real-time system. Hard real-time systems are those systems where critical tasks are completed in time. On time, we have to complete all the tasks. Not even a nanosecond delay are accepted. In soft real-time system, they are less restrictive. Examples are undersea exploration. People are gone to explore the sea, so they are very less restrictive. I mean, they can take much more time if they want planetary rovers and virtual reality. So here we use the soft real-time system. The last operating system we have is distributed operating system. Now distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are located in different geographical areas interconnected by a network, and it controls these interconnected system and makes them appear as a single computer. It allows all the linked machines to access data and software, and the process takes over the common network from different computers, irrespective of their location on the globe. Fine. Now, if we will talk about the information which we search on Google, right? Where all the information is stored. Of course, the information is stored on one computer which is kept somewhere, right? People from anywhere in the world can search any information. They can search the same information by sitting into the different countries. So that is known as the distributed operating system. So distributed operating system, that we are the operating system which we are using, maybe the people are using in the different countries, different cities, different areas, but interconnected by a network. We all are interconnected by the network, which makes them appear as a single computer. Now it comes, the person who is searching one information in another country can search the same information in a different country, and that person will get the same information, because there is only one computer which is keeping this type of information. So this type of computers operating systems are known as distributed operating system. So the next topic we will start in the next class. Till the time you do your homework is you need to write the question answer which are sent to you through SMS, and in this video you will do the homework, like what are the different types of operating system. We'll discuss the next topic in the next class. Have a good day. God bless you all.